this video, we are going to see how we can add extensions in Microsoft Edge. So extensions are all the external tools that is required to increase the power of the browser, whether you want to add different add-ons. So basically these are add-ons that you install in the browser that supports different functionality. So in Microsoft Edge, it supports the Chrome Web Store as well. So if you want to attach or add Chrome extensions to it, you can simply write here Chrome extensions and you can visit the store. Whatever extension you like, you can basically get that. So for example, Dark Reader, we click on this. We just need to sign in and basically click on Get and click on Add Extension, and it will be added and installed right away like this. Also, what you can do is just head over to the three dots and click on the extensions. And I always recommend you to explore the Get extension from the Microsoft Edge Web Store as well. So there are a lot of options available in there also. So let's say we want to attach or add the Grammarly extension. Click on Get, Add Extension, and that is how we can attach or add all the extensions in Microsoft Edge browser, whether it's from the Chrome Web Store or Microsoft Edge Web Store. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.